2024 Nissan Rogue. With less than 18,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.